cred că echipa cea mai bună a pierdut.
I think that the team who played better lose today.
Am controlat meciul.
And we controlled also all the game.
Am avut posesie, cred că 70-30.
Of the position of the ball, I think we have more than 70%.
Ne-a lipsit în prima repriză, din care am avut 4-5 ocazii de a șuta și a marca.
We had more than 4 chances to score from outside the box in first half.
Nu știu câte echipe pot să joace acest fotbal.
I don't know how many teams can play the same way we play today.
Să joci la exterior, afară și să domini meciul în terenul celălalt.
Like we play outside, away, and then we dominate almost the whole game.
Algoa să mulțumească portarului nostru care a greșit la 2 goluri.
Go need to say thank you for our goalkeeper who did a mistake for the first goal.
Dar eu cred că dacă arbitrul nu muta penalti, care a fost penalti, arată la televizor, și era penalti, altfel era rezultatul.
I think if the referee didn't cancel the penalty, that we already checked on the TV with the video and we saw that it's completely a penalty. If the referee didn't cancel this penalty, maybe the result would be different.
Să nu mai spun că le-a acordat 2 offside-uri mari și a închis ochii care putea să marcheze golul 3.
Plus 2 offside that he didn't announce it, with more than 2 meters between our last player and and the forward player from Goa, and he didn't say anything.
Ieri am spus, spectatorii o să fie al 12-lea jucător.
I already said yesterday that the fans will be the player number 12 today, and they will help the team.
Dar nu, arbitrul a fost al 12-lea jucător.
But I did a mistake because the referee was the player number 12 today.